our channel Knowledge Tree. Today, let's see top 5 scholarships you must apply this year. Many students are in dire need of financial support, so I just thought I would make this video. So let's zip through it. First is National Scholarship Exam. It is initiated by Government of India. Let's see what is the eligibility of the scholarship. You should be a student of the class 5 to 12 or the diploma or the degree holder student. Then what this scholarship gives, it gives up to rupees 31,000 in cash so that you can cover your financial needs. So note the important dates, that is online deadline, that is September 30, 2017, and offline is also same. So you can contact there as I provided the numbers, and also you can google it and apply for the scholarship. So let's see what is the second one. HDFC Educational Crisis Scholarship 2017. So, as its name suggests, educational crisis, which means those who are in financial need and those who are the weaker section of the society. That is eligibility. Eligibility of the scholarship is class 6 to 12th, then undergraduates and also post graduations. Then the students whose annual income is less than Indian rupees 3 lakh. So this is important eligibility criteria you should note. Then what would you get there? It is Indian rupees 10,000 to Indian rupees 25,000. Important dates are August 15 is the last deadline, so please hurry and register for the scholarship. Then let's see the third one. Third one is Baba Gurbachan Singh Scholarship Scheme 2070. Its eligibility is student pursuing degree or diploma. Then it's the family income should be not more than Indian rupees 3.50 lakh. What will you get? Up to 100% tuition fee. Then its important dates are online deadline is September 30, 2017, and offline deadline is September 30, 2017. I have provided contact details. You can contact there or email them or simply Google it. The fourth is India Innovation Challenge Design Contest. As its name suggests, it is a contest of design and it is initiated by Government of India. They will provide you all the tools that you have to use in your context. Then what is the eligibility? All Indian engineering students can apply for this scholarship and you will get up to Indian rupees 32 lakhs if you come into the merits. Then what is note the important dates. Its online deadline submission is September 10, 2017. That is, it's only online, not offline. And you can contact at their email connect at mygovernment.nic.in. That is the official government email ID. Or you can phone and inquire about it. And the last one is the 40th All India Student Design Competition 2070. And it's also a design competition. It's mainly basically for engineering students or final or pre-final BTech, ME, MTech, MS or equivalent courses. And its awards are medals and certificates that you can recognized in somewhere in the part of India's. Then important dates are offline deadline is September 5, 2017. Note that it is not online. You can apply through offline only. So note the contact details, email and or simply google it and you can apply for the scholarship. So please pass this video and message to all of your friends who are in dire need of financial support so they can get benefited from their respective scholarships. Thank you and subscribe our channel for more such videos. Thank you.